So are you looking to make PayPal money fast and get it directly deposited in your account? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a brand new website that lets you literally watch videos and makes money online. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can get started. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. And I have the best ways to make money online, guys. So if you're looking to make money online, if you're looking to start an online business, please subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Now, guys, for this method to work, you do need a PayPal account. So if you do not have a PayPal account, go to paypal.com and then you have to create an account. Just go to sign up here. And basically what PayPal allows you to do is receive money. Okay, really, really cool. I have like several PayPal accounts for several businesses, and a really awesome way to get money. Basically, you can just do a personal account here. You can sign up for it and you can start receiving money. Super easy, guys. And you can literally receive money and throw it straight to your bank account. You can buy stuff with it, whatever. Okay, PayPal is one of the best methods to receive money. Okay, all right. The website, guys, is this website right here, irazoo.com. Okay, you can see they've paid almost $100 million in cash. Okay, you can see as seen on the Crazy Coupon Lady, Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, Wall Street Journal. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can make money with it. Okay, just by watching videos, guys. And guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can even make more money with this website and how you can make money with affiliate marketing as well. Okay, so stick to the end. I'm going to show you some cool stuff here. But guys, this is what you do. Okay, so you join iRazoo, you earn points, and you choose rewards. Okay. And then let me show you. So all you got to do, guys, is go to join. Okay, so once you hit join, it's going to allow you to sign up. The cool thing is once you sign up, you get like a sign up bonus. Okay, so I'm already signed up here. Let me just show you my login. I thought, okay, let me try this again. I thought I was logged in. It might have kicked me out. All right, let me log in again, guys. Let's see. Super 24. All right, let me log in one more time. It should let me log in. Oh, spelt that wrong. Okay. All right. So once you guys are logged in, guys, there's a few things you can do. Okay. There's popular partners, there's top users, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay. Let me just show you what I would do when I get started. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is go to watch videos. Okay. This is the easiest way to get started. You can literally start watching videos and start making money. Okay, so you can see here, Hideout Entertainment News, earn unlimited points. Okay, so if you click this here, guys, it's going to come up with this pop-up. Okay, and once this pop-up comes up, it's going to come up with an ad before the video. Okay, that's how they make their money. Okay, so you can see here, yeah. So once the you just click play here. And then there should be an ad, okay? There's an ad before the actual video, okay? Just hit no thanks here. And that's how they make their money is by these ads, okay? But the way you make your money is by watching the actual video that they're wanting you to watch, okay? So you have to watch the ad. Then after that is the actual video, okay? So you can see here, it's going to go through. It's going to load a little bit. And you can literally just, let this play while you're watching Netflix, right? It doesn't really matter. Like all you're doing is just watching these videos and you're building up these points, okay? Now there's a ton of ways you can make money. There's also like surveys you can do. There's offers you can do. There's games you can play that allows you to rack up money so you can turn that into PayPal money. There's also like Amazon rewards, Best Buy rewards, stuff like that you can do as well, okay? Now, let me show you another way you can make money with it that you can actually make more money than just watching TV. If you go to refer friends, okay? So what you do is you have these, you have this code here, okay? And you literally can get this code and just send it out to all your friends and family, okay? Or you can make a YouTube video about it and get people to sign up, okay? Also, a cool thing is you can share on Facebook, Twitter, email. You can make more money by doing that as well, okay? Now, guys, doing this, okay, clicking this and sending this to people, this is actually called affiliate marketing, okay? This is at a very low scale because you're not going to make as much money. I want to show you a way that you can make a lot more money with affiliate marketing, and that allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job, okay? Because this is great, guys. You can make money doing this, but the only problem with this is that you are trading time for money, right? You're having to watch these videos. You're having to complete the surveys. You're having to do all this stuff, right? And that's totally okay if you have no money at all and you're just looking to build up some income. This is a great way to build some income, guys, but that's not the end goal. What you want to do is put your money into a passive income business that pays you passively, right? So I'm going to show you kind of what I did in my story, okay? So guys, I literally just quit my 9-to-5 job in March 2020. So you can see here today, I conquered my greatest fears that had been plaguing me for the last 5 years. I quit my $80,000 job today, and I've never felt so free in my entire life. You can see here over 300 comments. People, like are just super excited I was able to do this, right? They know I've been trying to do this for a while. You can see March 2nd, this is 2020, that I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job. And guys, I quit an $80,000 a year job. That's a lot of money I was making, right? But I was not happy. I hated what I did, and I wanted to be able to be able to start a business that paid me passively so I can, be with my daughter, be with my wife, and be able to travel without having to be at a job, right? So this is what I do, guys. I do affiliate marketing. I basically do high ticket stuff where I sell, basically $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 products, okay? Now, I want to help you do the same thing, okay? There's this 15-day challenge, okay, right here. And I'm going to show you. There's a 15-day challenge that literally walks you through how to start your business from beginning to end, okay? And this is only $7, okay? You can see here, just in the last 30 days, I did over $3,000 with this business, with this model, okay? Now, this is just one income source. If you see, I have a video I think I posted about a week ago on the 13 income sources that pay me over $15,000, okay, guys? And I have a ton of income sources. It's all passive. Everything I do is passive. I don't have to work. I can literally set up this system and it pays me passively, okay? So what I want you guys to do is go through this 15-day challenge, and the link is in the description below, okay? And it's going to be the first link. It's going to take you through this 15-day challenge. It's going to help you get started. It's going to help you start your passive income business. And from here, you can start making passive income. Now, if you don't have $7 to start, guys, then do this. Do this. Start watching videos. Make $7 and then put it to your PayPal and then buy the $7 challenge or any type of income business, all right? There's drop shipping. There's e-commerce. There's Amazon FBA, right? But the only problem with those is everything that's going with the pandemic and all that crazy stuff, right? Dropshipping is not a good business model right now, guys. Affiliate marketing is making me a ton of money, and I want to help you guys get started as well. So click the first link in the description below, get started with me, and start making some money, guys. Let me just show you the link here. Basically, it's in the first link in the description below, but it's passiveincomelifestyles.com/legend. It's going to take you to this website here. You just enter your email. It's going to take you through a video that talks to you how to get started. You pay the $7 and you start the 15-day challenge, which is this right here, okay? So guys, I hope this video was of value, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Guys, I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day, mostly on affiliate marketing, but how to make money online, how to grow your YouTube channel, all kinds of stuff to help you guys build your online business so you don't have to work a job that you hate like I did for so many years. So guys, love you guys. God bless, and we'll talk soon.